What is going on, guys? Tyler here again with Revamp Credit. In today's video, I'm going to talk about this card right here, the Navy Federal Business Credit Card, the Go Biz Navy Federal Credit Card in 2023. No talk, let's get right into the video, guys. In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about how you might be able to get approved for it, and of course, I'm going to go over the rewards that come with the business credit card. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about the Navy Federal Go Biz credit card. They only have one credit card, but you can choose between Visa or MasterCard. I'm going to talk a little bit about that, so stick around. And yes, you do have to have a business account with Navy Federal. I'm also going to make a video on that as well. So in order to get this card, you're going to need a few things. You're obviously going to need an LLC or a sole proprietor. You're going to need your EIN number, and you're going to already have to have a business bank account. And then you got to get a Navy Federal bank account, business bank account to get this card. Another thing that I got to mention is some people actually get denied for this card because their business is a quote unquote high risk industry. So if you want me to go through some of those high risk industries so you know which ones to look for and see if you can qualify for this card, just leave a comment down below. And another thing I want to bring up, and it's quite surprising, is that actually if you're a single member LLC or a sole proprietor, it's actually easier to qualify for this credit card. So keep that in mind. All right, guys, so let's get talking about the card a little bit. The first thing I want to note, and that you can actually see on the screen here, is that this card does have a $0 annual fee. We love to see that, right? You gotta love the $0 annual fees. Also, this card does not report utilization to your personal credit. That's a huge thing to note as well. So basically what that means is you can get this credit card, literally max it out for your business, or if you're just starting a business, you could borrow money, take money out, whatever you need to do, and it will not reflect on your personal credit. That's kind of what that means in a sense. One thing that I want you to know is when you apply for a Navy Federal personal credit card, they usually pull from TransUnion. Now, when you apply for the Go Biz Rewards credit card, they're not going to check your business credit. They're actually going to pull from your personal Experian score. You do not need to have business credit to get approved for this business credit card. Okay, guys, keep that in your heads. Like I said, $0 annual fee. For the rewards, you get 1 times points per dollar spent, and then you got the variable APR. You scroll down here, there are no foreign transaction fees. Great for travel and expenses. 0 liability policy for unauthorized transactions. Available as a Visa and MasterCard, which I'm going to talk about. No earnings cap, and then multiple card holders are available. There are some more rewards with the reward system stuff right here, but I'm not going to talk about that in this video. There's a few more things I'm going to talk about here in a second. But one thing I also want to note, and I'm sure you may have heard, is that you could actually get up to $25,000 limit on this credit card with no docs, aka no documentation, meaning you don't have to show any tax returns for your business or anything like that. Now, if you're trying to ask for more than $25,000, then at that point, they are going to ask you for like 2 years of your tax returns for your business, all of that stuff. So if this was me personally, I would just maybe ask for 15, 20,000, maybe not even go to the max limit. You know what I'm saying? But that's just me. I mean, it's obvious up to you and what you want to do, but I have seen this card go up to over $100,000, and I've seen people get approved for 100,000, 120,000. So it's actually really crazy that what this card can do. A little bit more about the benefits. You get protections and insurance, travel services, discounts and deals, business support services. That's for the Visa side. And then on the MasterCard side, you're going to get exclusive business advantages, cellular, wireless, telephone protection, master ID theft protection, master rental collision damage waiver, and more. And then on this slide here, it goes through all this stuff, all these features, guys. Like, just if you want to just go to the website and look for yourself, there's a ton of information on here. Like I said, and always, this is not financial advice. This is just my experience and what I've seen other people talk about and friends, stuff like that. But if you want to see here, they got, Microsoft advertising discount, Salesforce discount, Zoho social discount. They got identity fraud expense, QuickBooks online discount. So much other benefits, guys, and you can literally go to the website, which I'm of course going to put in the link description below for you to take a look at for yourself, guys. And as always, if you're enjoying the video so far, please give me a like and subscribe to the video. I'm going to be putting out daily, weekly videos, all for free, just trying to help everybody out. So now let's talk about a little bit how to get approved for the card. Once I applied for the business checking account and got approved, I would not apply for the business credit card right away. I would personally deposit some money into my business checking account every week and try to get as much money in there as possible before I applied for the credit card. So I know you probably heard about the Navy Federal internal score, which I did make a video on, so make sure to check that out. But there's also something called a banking score, which is different. So basically, what I would do once I got this checking account, this business checking account in Navy Fed, I would make weekly deposits for as long as possible, probably 60 to 90 days. Because once you go to apply for the card, they're going to see you've been a member with them for 60 90 days. You've been making weekly deposits for 60 to 90 days, and now you're asking for money. Does that make sense? It's going to be easier for you to get the card. Now, I want to also talk about something really cool about this card that I don't see a lot of people talking about, but you could actually take out a cash advance on this business credit card, guys. You can take a cash advance. I was looking at kind of some of the FAQs and some of the questions and answers, and kind of was looking through this information because I want to provide you with the best information possible. And like I said, you can do a cash advance, and there's also no fees when you do a cash advance. So that's really cool. Like I was saying earlier, there is no cash advance fees. It says right here, no, there's no cash advances. There was another thing I wanted to show you really quick. Obviously, I already talked about the no annual fee. We talked about the cash advance. Yes, you could take out cash advances. And then, oh yeah, this right here. So personal credit scores obtained from Experian. So they do check your personal Experian credit score when applying for the business credit card, the Go Biz credit card. It's not like the personal credit cards. They check TransUnion, I believe. And then right here, does Navy Federal require a personal guarantee? Yes, Navy Federal does require a personal guarantee on all business products, guys. I know a lot of people are saying no PG this, no PG that. I don't want a PG on this business card. Well, sorry to break it to you, but when you personal guarantee on a business credit card, you're actually going to build business credit faster that way by actually doing a PG, guys. A lot of companies are actually going away from the no PG and the EIN only, just like the rumored Sam's Club is going away, just like the Office Max or the Office Depot. So it's going to be harder to get no PG products from what I've seen. So just keep that in mind, guys. I think we're going to wrap up the video there. I know that there's a lot of information in there. Sorry about that. But if you did enjoy the video, make sure to give me a subscribe, like the video, comment down below if you have any questions or concerns. Let me know if you have this card or you're thinking about getting the card. I do have a free Discord and a free Facebook group. Those links are also in the description. I make 2 cool TikTok videos as well. So yeah, guys, I think we'll wrap it up there. Hope you enjoyed the video. Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the next one.